Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL. And today we're going to work with this pattern. This is 109315 on friendshipbracelets.net. And this one's pretty wild. I don't know. It's super long. It's probably one of the longest ones I've probably ever seen. So let's bring it over here, paste it in, and this time layer, transform, rotate it, and now we can enlarge it. That seems good. Is that too much? Let's try that again. Like that. There we go. And shift this off to the side. I think I'm gonna make that diamond bit here our center. Let's anchor our layer. There we go. Yeah, this is definitely unusual. I don't know how much of the pattern we'll be able to get in there. Let's see. So we have a red right in the center, and then the diamond comes up around it, and then there's this little bump out thing, and then almost to the edge. Again, almost to the edge. Again. And a little diamond out here. Then there's a dot, that's these. And then where this center dot is, goes all the way to the middle. Comes out one, goes a couple this way, and then there's one here. And let's move this up a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. So there's one dot there, and then there would have been this coming that way and that way and that way. So our start, I would say, isn't great. I don't think that doing this up here at the top like that, I don't think that's a great look. So let's take out those. So I did look. Normally I don't spend a lot of time kind of looking at how the pattern goes. So that way it's a lot like me working as if I had just been given a photo of the design or whatever. So I don't try to look at the pattern, but in a glimpse, I did notice that it only has 2 strings per side of the red, and that's going to make trying to figure this out just a little bit easier. I'm not trying to squeeze in an extra string when it's not necessary. And yeah, so I'm just trying to make sure that all the spots that were in the design get hit. I wasn't sure how far along because it was so long. I didn't think it was gonna go back to repeating itself. So wow. I'm not sure if both or one of the, looks like they kind of trade off. These red strings, you're definitely going to want to make sure that you make them nice and long. They're going to get used an awful lot. The rest of the background is probably pretty well balanced and probably not an issue. So just kind of heads up. So to make this easier, you can notice I spent my energy on just doing the top right, and that's because the thing is symmetrical. We can go ahead and highlight this top right area, copy and paste it, and then use our flip tool, and over this vertical line we flip it and put it in. So now we can just anchor that and merge that down. Then we can grab the whole top half, copy and paste it, and flip off the horizontal line this time. Again, with the anchoring it and merging down. I know it seems kind of silly, but it's what you have to do. There is our bracelet design. This could look really like Native American or something with the right colors, I suspect. I'm not sure what colors I'm going to use. Let's go ahead and change our beginning blue to something else. Let's give that a thing. So let's select by color, hit the whole thing there. What color will we use? How about this orange? That looks cool. Go to our paint, fill whole selection. There we go. So there's our bracelet. I think this one's going to turn out pretty neat. I'm probably going to use the variegated again for these two strands, because I don't have like a extra string to do the background with the variegated. Plus I think the background being variegated, it would be really, because you have variegated next to each other, it would get really sloppy really quickly. So I think that's the right choice here. I think this is going to be cool. Quick shout out to my YouTube members who make this possible. I go through a lot of string, guys. I really do. And these guys help keep me motivated and inspire me to do what I do. So thank you guys very much for that. If you want to join, it's easy. It's the join button down by where it says subscribe. And you can become a member and help contribute towards this channel. And yeah, that'd be really nice. Thank you. Thank you also for watching this far in. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.